Hey Elizabeth, I spoke with Jackie earlier, and my name is Lee Terbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can begin to do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested in how I can help grow your business, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback at the end of this, so let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is any writing that you see on your homepage plus your pictures, and what they're saved as is considered content too. Now, Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage, and as you can see, you guys maybe have 200 on yours. So I did a quick search for Plumber Las Vegas, Nevada, and Larkin Plumbing Services coming up in first. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. And as you can see, he does have some content, maybe 150 to 200 words as well. So if you were to go out and get 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, you would easily be beating him in that aspect. And we'll touch base on your keywords here in a minute. So I'm going to break down Google for you. This top section is Google Ads, and people are paying big money to be up here. And honestly, it can become a money pit if they're not ran effectively. But I suggest not doing that, because if you're ranking in this other section, this Google Map Hack section and this organic section, you'll be getting plenty of traffic and you don't need to be spending money cost per click. So let's touch base on this Map Hack listing. Now this is the GMB or Google Map Hacks. And what dictates your ranking in this is called a citation. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. And as you can see, DMS Plumbing is in first place. So I have a tool that I use called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder that I pay for monthly, and I plugged in DMS's information in to see how many citations he has, and he has 58 of them. Very beatable to claim that top spot. But anyways, the best part about this is we can go into his sources and find all his sources for his citations, and these are all submittable for your business. So that means we can go and get each and every one of these, plus add maybe 80 to 100 to your business listing, and beat these guys out by a landslide, get you in this top 3, and also that's getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories across the web so people can find you. So that's a citation. Now the third thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks, and that's what ranks you in this organic section. Now a backlink is when one website links back to another website via hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them before in text on a website where there's blue writing and you click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those and considers them votes. So the more backlinks you have, the more higher you'll rank. Because you got to think, the more backlinks you have from other websites, that's people saying, yes, I'll send my traffic from my website to this website, and it being that you're trustworthy. So I have another tool I use, it's called Ahrefs, and I plugged in Resolution Plumbing LV up here, and this will show me a basic overview of all your stats. And as you can see, you have really low UR and DR numbers at the moment. That's because you don't really have any SEO done on your website. You have 8 referring domains giving you a total of 17 backlinks. And the only backlinks that really transfer power are these do follow links, and you only have 3 of them at the moment. So let's look at your competitor who is in first place. He's right here, Larkin Plumbing. And as you can see, he has a little bit higher score, but not unbeatable. He only has 218 websites giving him a total of almost 1,000 backlinks. Best part about this is he has 101 that are actually transferring power. But we can go into his referring domains, just like the citations, they're all laid out, listed right here for us to go grab for your website. We know it's ranking him in the first position, so it'll rank for you. Anyways, let's go back, because I want to touch base on some keywords that you're missing out on. So as you can see, you are ranking for 42 keywords, but I want to show you his keywords, because he has more and a lot general broad keywords. So Las Vegas Plumbing, there's 600 searches for Las Vegas Plumbing every month. This shows me the keyword and how many times it's being searched. So Las Vegas Plumbing, 600 times a month. Plumber Las Vegas, 300. Plumber Las Vegas, 600. Plumbing Las Vegas, 1,100 searches a month. That's 1,000 people looking for plumbing in Las Vegas each and every month that you're missing out on by not ranking in that first position. Look at the traffic he's getting, 134, 91, 83, 74. These are all jobs that he's getting just by being right here in this first spot. So let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing that we spoke about was content. Front page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content with those keywords that we just placed throughout. You could put 1 for every 100 words. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I'd say get 100 to 200, beat out the competition by a landslide, plus to get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. The third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. Once again, thank you, Elizabeth, and thanks, Jackie, for getting this video over to her. I hope you guys have a great day, and remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line in the email and let me know you watched it, and I'm here if you have any questions. Thank you.